The text message media, meaning photos and videos sent in your conversations, is stored two different ways on your phone: in the hidden system storage and in the accessible user storage. Let's take a look at both. Android stores your message media in a protected system area, but it's hidden by default for a reason. If you dig into your internal storage under Android and Data, you might see a folder for messaging, but on modern versions like Android 16, it'll likely show up as empty. That's because your phone treats your texts like a secure vault. It's not meant to be accessed through a file manager. To actually see, save, or delete those files, you have to do it from within the Messages app itself. To be able to view the message media, we'll go to the Messages app first. You have two ways to search for media. Either hit the search button up top here and search for images or videos. Or, if you want to find media within a specific conversation, you'll pick that conversation first and then tap the three dots in the top right corner. From there, you can search for media, or you can view the Details page, which will show you an overview of all the files shared in this conversation. Here, I can review all images shared in this thread, or the videos and links. If I want to do it by using search, I'll use the search button instead, and then I can narrow down the search to a specific file type. If you're trying to delete files to clear up space on your phone, here's how you do it. Go to Messages, then activate the search, and choose the file type you want to delete. Usually, videos are the biggest storage consumers, so that's a good place to start. When I tap Videos, my phone will show all the videos that are stored within my conversations. On some phones, you can long press a video here and delete it. My phone doesn't give me that option, but I can pick the video and see it in the chat where it was shared. And from there, I can long press it and delete it, which will remove it from the conversation and remove it from my phone. What you don't want to do is to go under Settings, Storage, Apps, and Messages and clear storage through there. That would reset your entire Messages app back to factory settings, and you'll usually lose all conversations, custom notification sounds, preferences, etc. Anyways, that's how Android handles message media. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this.